In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore missing file tabs in AutoCAD. If your file tabs have disappeared, don't worry, the fix is quick and easy. Start by typing OP in the command line and press Enter to open the Options dialog box. Next, switch to the Display tab where you'll find various interface settings. Look for the option called Display File Tabs and make sure the checkbox is enabled. Once checked, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Your file tabs should immediately reappear at the top of the AutoCAD window. If they still don't show up, try restarting AutoCAD to refresh the interface settings. This simple adjustment resolves the issue in most cases and restores easy access to all open drawings. This feature makes it much easier to switch between multiple drawings without constantly opening files from the menu. Keeping file tabs visible can improve productivity and help you manage projects more efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy drafting in AutoCAD.